Hi, we are Hernandez Plumbing Company, serving South Florida for over 50 years. Residential, commercial, and we specialize in cast iron piping replacement. We have the proper equipment and the right tool and the right personnel to get this job done for you as fast as 2 weeks. This is one of our projects, which is our slab on grading. We did a reroute on the back of the property. After our reroute and our concrete installation, we also have our own build back department that will help us restore any access point, bathrooms, kitchen, laundry. Our build back department specializes on every single detail to bring back your home in good and perfect condition. We'll use the proper material and equipment to protect your home during this process. Slab on grading, wall access, septic tank connections, home additions, full domestic water repipe. We will build your house from ground up. Full bathroom remodel and addition. Full water piping replacement while you're in the comfort of your home. As you can see, kitchen is up to date. We have not touched any other walls or floor during the pipe replacement. We'll upgrade your plumbing system, avoiding any demolitions to your bathrooms, kitchen, and laundry. We'll go over a punch list with you. Customer, make sure that everything is working in perfect condition and to satisfy all your needs.